Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp. This is my assistant Patrick, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about some conditions we treat that a lot of people don't realize chiropractors can work on. One common one I've been seeing recently is knee injuries. A lot of times with sports like soccer or skiing, people will trip or fall, they'll sprain their ankle, we'll treat the ankle, but they don't realize their knee has also been tweaked at the same time. But you can see the way that the skeleton works, your ankle down here, if you sprain it, you roll it this way, the knee will bend this way as well, and a lot of times the tibia will rotate with that sprain. And then when we treat the ankle starts to feel better, but down the line you'll realize your knee has been hurting. So that's why here at Revive we do a thorough examination, check the whole body to see what other injuries may have occurred and make sure that we're treating everything that needs to be taken care of. So if you have any recent injuries that you want to be evaluated, give us a call.